Hello, welcome, dear students, once again to our live session. Thank yes, today's session is not to provide you any information regarding your MBBS in Russia, but today we will be in giving you information about various seminars that we are organizing in this weekend or in coming few days, where you can come and interact with our counselors, get your admissions done, and clear all your doubts. So, Rus Education is organizing seminars in various cities across India. We are traveling to Kolkata, Patna, Pune, Aurangabad, Ludhiana, Ranchi, Jaipur, Bhiwandi. These are the places which we have planned already, and there are many more places which are in uh, the next phase of planning. So, once confirmed, we will get back to you. So, for studying MBBS in Russia, it is always a good choice. It is always recommended that you select your mentor, your guide, your counselor very wisely. So, you should have proper information about not only about the university, but about the hostel, the living conditions, the facilities that are being provided in the university, apart from the Indian mess, which is now by and large is being provided in almost all the universities. Main thing for concern is should be your foreign medical graduate examination, which is soon gonna be transformed into next exam. So the coaching for that exam should be available to you. Okay. Yes. So joining me today is Ashok Kumar. Good afternoon, Ashok. You have been dedicatedly watching all the live sessions. And I hope your doubts and questions have been answered and you are getting benefits of all these live sessions that we are conducting. Um okay. We also have with us Miss Monisha Shaideep Ghosh. Monisha, good afternoon. We have with us Priyadarshini Udayar. Hi, Priyadarshini. We have Vikas Prajapati. Good evening. Good evening, Vikas. How are you doing? Hope everything is fine at your end. And we have Ira Pathak also. Good afternoon. So, good afternoon, Ira. We also have Ronika Sharma. Hello, sir. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in this live session. So students, see, I was talking to you about the mentorship that you require when you are getting your admissions in MBBS. So see, it is a very serious decision of your life, or the most important decision of your life. uh, if you want to get admission in MBBS and you want to go abroad, see, it is difficult on many fronts. First of all, you'll have to go away from your home. So whenever our students, almost 90% of them have never been to hostels, have never been away from homes. So understood, so it is a challenging decision for them, right? Second thing is, uh, you have to invest a lot of money, right? So you have to invest 25-30 lakh rupees. You have to uh, your parents have to arrange that money. Okay. So second is the financial part. Next is that you have to spend 6 years of your golden phase of life. Okay. So as we call your youth as the golden phase of life, so you have to spend 6 years in a place about which you know nothing, right? uh, so if I ask anybody from outside on the street about Russia, everybody knows that it is a cold place and there are bears roaming here and there on the streets, nothing else. So you do not know about the city, you do not know about the place, you do not know about the country. So it is very important for you to understand, to get acquainted with not only with the university and the teaching facilities, but with the city, but with the hostel facilities, and what all specific things you will get that you should be getting as an Indian students in Russia. So it is very important. like the universities that you get admission into should not only be well established as Russian universities, but they should be well established as international universities. Okay, so they should be having various collaborations with universities not only in Russia or India, but in Europe, America, South America, in almost all the parts of the world. Your degree should be valid. So once you clear your MBBS from any such university, your degree should be valid in uh, all the countries. Okay, so yes, so it is very important for you to choose a good consultancy, a good education providers, so that you get complete support. Okay, you get complete support not only at the time of admission, but during your course also. Okay. Okay, so I'll take your questions one by one. Okay, so don't worry. uh, so let us start. This video is aimed at giving you the information about the seminars that we will be conducting in the coming days. So I hope my screen is visible to all. So in case if it is not visible to anyone, you can just let me know. Okay. Okay. So first of all, on 20th of August, on this 20th of August, we are conducting a seminar in Maharashtra in a town of Bhiwandi. Okay. On 20th of August, we have MBBS abroad admission seminar in Bhiwandi. You can visit the seminar. It is being organized in Maharashtra on 20th of August, and the venue is Shangri-La Resort. Okay, so students who belong to this place or who are near to Bhiwandi, you can visit the seminar. Now, what are the benefits of getting of going to these seminars? Is number one that you will get free. The entry is completely free of cost. Okay, so there is no charges, no cost in what you say involved for participating in these seminars. Okay, you can go there and you can get all the information that you require regarding your MBBS in abroad. Number two, you can confirm your admission on the very same day in this seminar. Okay, so these seminars, they are on spot admission seminars also. They are not only MBBS abroad guidance seminars, but on spot admission seminars also. So you can confirm your admissions on the very same day. So my advice, if you are visiting this seminar, please take your documents or at least the copies of your 10th and 12th class documents along with you. Okay, in case you feel right, you can confirm your admission on the very same day. Okay, so if you want to interact with our counselors one to one, you can meet them face to face, you can get all your doubts cleared, you can confirm your admissions also, and there will be on spot admission scholarship seats. So if you are looking for admission in MBBS and if you want to uh, get this opportunity of scholarship seats, you are most welcome to visit our seminars which are being conducted in the coming few days. So yes, so on 20th we have seminar in Bhiwandi. On 21st we have a seminar in Jaipur in Hotel Park Prime, which is on Prithviraj Road. Okay, so if you belong to Rajasthan, if it is convenient for you to travel to Jaipur, and you can talk to our counselors face to face. So, as we were talking in Maharashtra, we have three offices in Mumbai, Pune, and in Aurangabad. So, if you can visit those places, it is good for you. If Bhiwandi is near to you, so you can visit Bhiwandi. Similarly, in Rajasthan, we have our office in Kota. But if it is convenient for you to travel to Jaipur, please visit our seminar on 21st of August in Jaipur in Hotel Park Prime. Next, we have seminar on again on 21st of August in Ludhiana. So all the students who are living in Punjab, you are invited. Yeah, from outside Punjab also, if you want to visit, you all are invited for this seminar. I myself will be present in Punjab in Ludhiana on 21st of August. You can meet me directly and you can clear all your doubts regarding MBBS in abroad, specifically for MBBS in Russia. So you are most welcome. Again, I request you, if you like are planning to study MBBS, kindly bring your documents along. Okay. So as I advise to all the students, don't come alone. Please bring your parents. And if parents are planning to come, I always request you, I always advise you to kindly bring your children also along. Okay. So there are different queries. As a student you have a different perspective, as a parent they have a different perspective. Okay, so all the doubts concerning, like suppose कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं ओके विल गो होम विल टॉक टू द चाइल्ड, या बच्चे आ जाते हैं देन दे से विल गो होम एंड विल टॉक टू द पेरेंट्स. सो इट इज बेटर टू कम अलोंग. Okay, Saturday है and I hope you will be able to come there and meet me. So 21st of August, Hotel Regenta Central Classic in Ludhiana. Okay, you can visit at any point of time. Bring your parents along. Bring your uh, documents along. Okay, 10th and 12th class mark sheets, at least the soft copies. Then on 21st of August, we have a seminar in Aurangabad. Aurangabad, Hotel Grand Kailash, which is at Jalna Road. Okay, so again, 21st of August, if you belong to Maharashtra, then you can go to either Bhiwandi or you can go to Aurangabad, or you can even go to Pune seminar on 21st, which is at Sohrab Hall, Tadiwala Road. Okay, so MBBS abroad admission counseling seminar on 21st of August in Pune, in Aurangabad, and in Bhiwandi. So it is a golden opportunity for all the students from Maharashtra. If you have doubts, if you uh, require, what you say, any kind of guidance, you are most welcome to visit our seminars. So for Maharashtra students, we have three seminars lined up for you on 21st. That is Pune, Aurangabad, and Bhiwandi. Okay. Next, on 21st, we have a seminar for students from West Bengal in Kolkata. So students who belong to Kolkata or nearby areas, if you can travel, if you have doubts and if you have that dream of studying MBBS, so kindly visit our seminar in Kolkata. Seminar is being organized in Russian House in Kolkata, which is the cultural department of Embassy of Russian Federation in Kolkata. Okay, so you will be getting first-hand knowledge about top Russian medical universities. Again, it is also on spot admission seminar where scholarship seats will be given to the students. So there are various scholarships which are being provided and attractive discounts. I will not disclose those discounts or scholarships what are available. So please visit our seminar and you can get all the details regarding admission to for admission in MBBS in Russia. Okay, so 21st we have seminars in Jaipur, in Ludhiana, in Aurangabad, Pune, Kolkata, and on 20th of August we have seminar in Bhiwandi. Apart from that, on 28th we have seminar planned in Ranchi. Seminar in Ranchi on 28th of August, Hotel Landmark, लालपुर रांची. सो झारखंड के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो लोग हमारे इस सेमिनार में आ सकते हैं जो हमारा 28 अगस्त को होगा रांची में. एंड यू कैन मीट आवर एक्सपर्ट काउंसलर्स, गेट एडमिशन गाइडेंस फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ देम एंड यू कैन क्लियर ऑल योर डाउट्स. अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, सवाल हैं, वो सब आप क्लियर कर सकते हैं हमारे रांची के सेमिनार में आके, जो होने जा रहा है 28 अगस्त को होटल लैंडमार्क के अंदर. अब 28 के बाद 29 तारीख को 29th we have a seminar in Patna. 29th August, we have our seminar in Patna, होटल मौर्य दरबार हॉल. ओके, तो सभी जो बिहार के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन सबके लिए हमारा ये सेमिनार है 29 अगस्त को, होटल मौर्य दरबार हॉल पटना में. 29 अगस्त, दरबार हॉल, होटल मौर्य. तो अगर आप बिहार से हैं, पटना के आसपास किसी भी एरिया से हैं, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू कम टू आवर सेमिनार एंड गेट गाइडेंस अबाउट एमबीबीएस एडमिशंस इन रशिया. ओके, तो आपको सारी आपके जो भी डाउट्स हैं, क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप सभी उनके आंसर्स ले सकते हैं. ओके, so these are the seminars which have been planned till date in the for the coming weekend, and even 2 seminars are being planned for next weekend. अभी next weekend का भी जो शेड्यूल है बाकी, वो भी हम आपको बता देंगे हमारे आने वाले वीडियोस में, आने वाले सेशंस के अंदर. बट द थिंग इज कि आप जो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन आप हमारे सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स पे भी ले सकते हैं और हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी ले सकते हैं. तो आप हमें फेसबुक पे, यूट्यूब पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, या फिर आप हमारी वेबसाइट विजिट कीजिए www.ruseducation.in एंड यू कैन गेट कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द अपकमिंग सेमिनार्स. हो सकता है नेक्स्ट सेमिनार आप ही के शहर में हो, तो प्लीज़ हमारे फेसबुक और बाकी सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स को ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिए एंड stay updated about our admission guidance seminars. So for all the students, I think it is a golden opportunity. If you have any doubts, any questions regarding MBBS in Russia or MBBS in abroad in any other country, please visit us in our admission guidance seminars. Okay, let's repeat. 20th August in Bhiwandi in Maharashtra. 21st of August we have in Jaipur Hotel Park Prime. In Ludhiana in Hotel Regenta Central Classic. Aurangabad Hotel Grand Kailash. 21st in Pune Sohrab Hall, and in Kolkata in Russian House Gorki Sadan. On 28th we have in Ranchi Hotel Landmark, and 29th we have in Hotel Maurya Patna. So dear students, if you belong to any of these cities, please visit our seminars and get all your doubts cleared regarding MBBS in Russia or MBBS in abroad in any other country. Or if you want to take admission here in India, then also you can just come and we will try to help you in the best possible way. Thank you so much for joining us. प्लीज़ अगर आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं इन सब सिटीज़ के अंदर, तो आप उनसे हमारा ये वीडियो ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए, so that they get information about our upcoming seminars and they can come and meet us and clear their doubts. Maybe आप किसी के सपने पूरे करने के लिए एक जरिया बन सकते हैं. Thank you so much for joining us. Please stay safe, take care of your health, study well for your NEET exams, and best of luck. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.